What's up, guys? With the new Android update as of May 13th, 2025, I've just been tinkering around with my phone a little bit after this update and some things that it can do that are pretty nifty, actually. Like if you can see my S Pen floating around at the bottom here. Let's say, you go to the camera icon and just hold it. You can hold it with your finger or with your S Pen. Just hold down on it and watch the submenu that pops up. Take a selfie. Don't move. Take a selfie, record a video. Take a portrait. Pretty neat. Up in the gallery, right up here. Hold down on it. Search the gallery. Recent photos, favorite photos. Also over here on your contacts, if you hold that down, create a contact, search for stuff, view your profile. Also the calendar right here. Hold down on that, watch the submenu. Add an event, search your calendar. Up in the clock, also hold down on that. Add an alarm. Set the timer, start a stopwatch. It's pretty neat. It just has little sub menus that come up. And calculator also, let's see what it can do. Not much, nothing. So it's just neat. There are a few things that can do stuff just by holding down the button or holding down the icon. Like I said in my previous video, if you're looking for notifications again, you can just come up to the either you can do upper left, drag down. There's your notifications. Upper right, it'll show you your settings. Or you can just drag down from anywhere on the screen and there's notifications. Your weather widget has changed slightly. It can be changed in shape also. Notice you can change its shape somewhat. So that's pretty cool. You can also add a background to it if you wanted to under settings of the widget. Background will give you a colored background. Different shapes you can do. So yeah, it's kind of neat. The new update has some stuff that it can do for you. Let's see here about phone. Yeah, this was the update today. UI 7 and Android 15 has AI stuff that's coming on it. You can see all the changes. Pretty neat. If you look at this on your phone, you'll be able to see all that on it. It also has an automated voice activation feature that's kind of cool. If you hold down the far right-hand button where you would usually turn the phone off, if you hold that in and you can ask it questions and it'll do things for you and answer questions for you.
Gemini is a suite of generative AI models developed by Google. It has various capabilities, including text generation, image creation, code generation, and multimodal understanding. It's integrated into several Google products and is available through the Gemini app.
Ooh. It's kind of cool, I guess. That's just some new things I'm noticing on the update as of today, May 13th, 2025. I got tons of other stuff on my channel. Make sure you like, subscribe, follow. Working on your computer, your phone, eBay, Amazon, YouTube, working on your car, stuff around the house, all kinds of cool stuff. So check it all out. Y'all have a great day. We'll see y'all later.